GCache problem. GCache the loggings and the three simple to be and problem. Please try to against code WV1 error show pop up but any problem the update and short video to step by step the resolve the issues. And first of all the internet connection the reset Android mobiles and iPhone same processing and different settings. First of all the setting open and scroll down and reset your setting selected system managers and selected the reset your settings. Open the and first of all most important reset your Wi-Fi and mobile networks and below. And first of all the reset now. Second step the mostly has been important backup and the officially the Play Store opens. Play Store open the officially the sport team chat GPT Gcash app. Gcash app search and officially the updated and second step the officially the sport teams. Same method the apply and problem the update. Officially the app sport team officially the phone numbers and Gmails and selected the phone numbers and Gmail the sport team officially the error problem the Gmail share error problem officially the team the reply the error problem update now. Thank for watching this video.